first thing we want to do is remove our oil fill cap. This is going to help the crankcase vent properly when draining our engine oil. Up next, using a 17mm socket, we'll go ahead and remove the drain bolt and let the engine oil drain completely. As the oil is draining, now's the time to check the condition of the crush washer. If it's damaged or missing, you want to replace it to prevent any future leaks. Once it's finished draining, we'll go ahead and reinstall the drain bolt and torque this to 15 foot-pounds. Now, to remove our oil filter, we're going to use our 65mm oil filter wrench and turn the oil filter counterclockwise. It's just like most bolts, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Now, before we install our new oil filter, if you're not using an OEM filter, you want to make sure you apply a thin coat of oil around the outside gasket. That's going to help replacing it on the next service a lot easier. But luckily, Yamaha does this for us from the factory. Now it's time to fill the engine with oil. Yamaha states that this unit holds 2.2 quarts of 1040 motorcycle oil. You can use mainly any manufacturer here in this case, as long as it's designed for a wet clutch system. Now we'll simply put our oil fill cap back in place. Now we want to start the engine up. Let it idle for about 3 to 5 minutes. That's going to get the oil circulated through the system properly. Once it's done that, we'll go ahead and shut the engine back off and let it sit for another 3 to 5 minutes. And that's going to give us an accurate oil level. Now, looking at our sight glass on the right side of the motorcycle, we want our oil to be on the upper to middle level mark. If you notice the 2 lines in the sight glass, we want ours towards the upper end. And this looks great, so let's go hit the streets.